analytic function. Now we are going to discuss this terminology over the region. Suppose this is a region, and if we want to check whether w is equal to f of z, this function is analytic over this region or what. So to check this analyticity of this function, we need to discuss about the function analytic at each point of the region. So to find out whether the function is analytic over this region, we have to check whether the function is analytic at each point of the region or not. And to check whether the function is analytic at each point of this region, we have to check whether the function and its derivative exist and defined in every neighborhood of each point. If the function is differentiable at every neighborhood of each and every point of the region, then that function is said to be analytic at point, and hence the function is said to be analytic on the region. Analytic functions are also called holomorphic or regular or monogenic functions. Now let us discuss the next terminology, that is singular point. What is singular point? So actually singular point is a point at which the function and its derivative is not defined. So those points are called singular points. For example, if we have f of z is equal to 1 upon z minus 2, then this function is not defined at z equal to 2. Therefore, its derivative is also not defined at z equal to 2. If we take the derivative of this function, that will be minus 1 upon z minus 2 the whole square. So that is again not defined at z is equal to 2. Therefore, z equal to 2 is a singular point of this function. Or if we have fz is equal to 1 upon z plus 5, then this function is not defined at z equal to minus 5, and its derivative is also not defined at z equal to minus 5. So z equal to minus 5 is a singular point of this function. Now, based on this singular point, if the function do not have any singular point, then that function is called entire function. That means entire function is a function which is differentiable or which is analytic at every point in the complex plane. And analytic at every point means what? The function and its derivative must exist in the neighborhood of that point of the region. So entire function is a function which is continuously differentiable at every point of the region, or which is analytic everywhere. In short, entire function means what? Analytic everywhere. For example, polynomial function, if we have fz is equal to z, this function is defined at every point of the complex plane, and even its derivative is also defined. So this function is differentiable everywhere, analytic everywhere, and hence it is called an entire function. Or f of z is equal to e to the power z. So this function is also differentiable, exist in every point of the z plane, therefore its derivatives also exist and differentiable, and therefore that function is also called entire function. So these are very famous examples of an entire function.